We're back at it again to talk about another low market cap altcoin that has 100x potential in the coming bull run. I'm Alex and welcome back here to another episode of Crypto Hunters. This project I have covered one time before, but it has such a great potential. I'm here to make a more detailed video explaining exactly why this project is a big deal. In today's video we're going to talk about a layer 1 network that allows smooth operations of Web3 infrastructures running completely off the rails of Web 2, bringing hundreds of Web3 blockchain users into the new internet. This is why blockchain and Web3 applications need to be completely decentralized. Blockchain projects are open source, and for it to completely give power back to the users, there is a need for it to be totally decentralized. The purpose of a decentralized blockchain is to be able to build peer-to-peer infrastructures and run it with everything without any sort of centralization or compromise. We've had decentralized blockchains before, but with great compromise on performance, speed, and the way rewards are distributed and so on. There are so many faults. So this is what Saito is working on. What is Saito network, and does it make total decentralization possible? Saito is a user-oriented Web 3.0 layer 1 network that aims to combat centralization within blockchain infrastructures, including node operators and scalability issues that come with proof of work and proof of stake blockchains in the likes of Ethereum and its other EVM compatible layer 1 or layer 2 networks. Right now, I know you're thinking if Saito could possibly compete with Ethereum or probably replace it due to its potential by fixing scalability issues and also allow dApps to run completely on its own without the slightest presence of centralization. It's possible, but Saito is a new blockchain with a really long way to go. It still needs to prove its potential in several real-life applications. Reasons why I believe Saito, this layer 1 blockchain, has tremendous potential. Saito is a layer 1 blockchain that powers Web3 applications while its consensus maintains openness even at massive scale so that developers can build great Web3 apps for all. Saito started in 2017 when it realized that both proof of work and proof of stake are great ways to pay for network security, but struggles to pay for anything else that the network needs, like scalability. Instead of paying for mining or staking, Saito pays for nodes for providing scale, encouraging developers to build great Web3 apps, and everyone is aligned to create value for end users. Here are some other things that can be done through Saito's consensus. First, apps on Saito runs peer-to-peer while the chain provides distributed infrastructure that removes reliance on centralized providers. This means developers can use Saito to run their apps while users keep full control of their data. Secondly, developers can code engaging apps in their favorite languages without struggling with Solidity or smart contracts. This makes developing, deploying and running applications faster, easier and cheaper. Thirdly, Saito consensus pays higher rewards to nodes that brings transactions to the chain. More so, node owners are incentivized to find and support developers building great apps so that they can host those transactions, thereby creating a network that shapes itself to users' needs. Here are a few more things that make Saito stand out. Applications on Saito can run without closed plugins, without proprietary APIs, or with an open infrastructure. More so, the Saito network consensus is highly secure, resistance to Sybil attacks, and anti-monopoly and decentralization features are directly integrated to ensure the openness and independence of Web3 applications. Let's look into the Saito token and its use cases. The use case for Saito token is similar to how Ether works on Ethereum. The main point is for accounts to spend them in exchange for data services within the network. There are two versions of Saito token, the first one being the on-chain token used with the Saito network. The second one is the wrapped ERC20 version deployed on Ethereum network. This other Ethereum version allows for permissionless integration in off-chain applications. But is it too late to buy Saito right now? After all of this, you probably thought Saito was already big and that you were too late to buy the token. But you're probably wrong. Saito token only has a total supply of 3 billion, with a current market cap of $18 million. 1 billion of this token is in circulation, so you're still pretty early. And also, since the use cases for the project so far are not that great, not a lot of apps or similar have integrated Saito, so as I said earlier in the video, there's still a long way to go, but there is great potential. But as always, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before you invest in any of the tokens I've covered on this channel. If you'd like to know where you can buy Saito at the current rate, I'd honestly recommend on the Binance Smart Chain, over on PancakeSwap or through Ethereum. But there are some exchanges like Gate.io, LBank, Big One, BKAX, and LaToken. Now I'm not too familiar with all of those exchanges, but that is where I found you could buy Saito. If you love content like this where I cover new exciting projects for the upcoming bull run, then do smash the like button, subscribe, and comment your favorite altcoin down below. It supports me and the creation of these videos directly. So thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you next time.